What's going on? It's Roger. So I've been selling a lot of my diecast, Hot Wheels, all that, both open and used, and ones that I found like this. Anyways, so when I get something like this with a card, I try to keep it in good condition. I hate that when I ordered a few Hot Wheels off eBay that came in that had the card, they were bent. They just tossed it into like an envelope and stuff like that, and that was it. So for me, what I've been doing is reinforcing. First thing having like cardboard like this, and then reinforcing the card by putting the cover like this, and then I'll wrap the bottom end with some bubble tape. And what I try to do is use boxes like this. So I just think that it's only fair as a seller to do right by some of these people, because I hate to send something over and people like get screwed over and be like, oh man, this is bent. So every time I get a sale, I package everything and I send all the pictures to them, and try to do good by them. Like I said, try to keep the card straight and whatnot. Um, so anyways, that's just me. I also, like I said, I sold this Ford Bronco R, really cool, real riders and stuff like that. But I'm not collecting Broncos, so I'm selling them, everything that I got. Anyways, that's just me, kind of showing off this, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more protective stuff on it, and then put it in the box, tape it up, and send it out.